Hello world. I'm introducing my 93 Civic EX, aka my EJ1 Coupe. Yeah, this is my project right now. I'm starting to build now, so I will be uploading videos here and there, like you said. 93 Civic EX, nothing major. SI wheels on it. Aftermarket window guards, rear window guard. I changed the trunk because I didn't like the trunk. I didn't like the EX trunk with the wing, so I put the DX trunk because I like it better. Mud flaps, you know, SI wheels. I put side markers on. I got the JDM corner lights. The lights was like $200. I had to get them shipped all the way to New York. Yeah, but we're gonna have a nice build this one. It's gonna be a nice build, man. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna do this one right. You know, need a little body work, nothing major. Regular stock interior, nothing crazy. I got hatch seats out of a hatch. The blue seats, you know. Stock, feel me? Nice little shift knob, you know, with the bribe, whatever you call it, shifter boot. Yeah, you know. Just saying, I'm just trying to put it together slowly but surely, man. Nothing major. Nothing major yet. I'm telling you, when you get ready, shit, give me like 2-3 weeks, and this shit'll be it. This shit is gonna be lit, bro. I promise you. I promise you. Here we go. Like, this is the engine bay. You know, nothing major. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the fog lights. I got the little fog lights. Yeah, everything's hooked up. Yeah, I upgraded the radiator. I did nothing really major. Just the radiator, dizzy, air intake. Fixed the power steering. I had power steering leaks. I fixed that. I fixed everything. Pretty much I have no leaks on this car. I got some eBay coilovers. You know, simple stuff, like simple stuff. The car runs and drives every day. This is my daily drive. I drive this car to the moon and back if I have to. This is my baby right here. The next update I'm gonna probably do, I'm doing some headers. I'm gonna do the headers, and I want to do my muffler. I got a hole in my muffler somewhere, so I'm just trying to do it slowly but surely. I'm gonna get it together. Watch, just watch me.